title of the music for our next skater. I'm just going to read it as it's written, so be prepared.
Please welcome the next competitor. Veuillez accueillir le prochain concurrent. Representing United States of America, Jason Brown.
Well, Jason, born in Los Angeles, California. He's coached now by Brian Orser.
No more ponytail.
Spectacular skater. You will love the program. And he's skating it too. Love is a Bitch by 2 Feet.
I'm flying high like a bird, but my fluttering wings can keep you from pulling me down. Your mama says I'm a fool, and yeah, maybe that's true. I can't stop thinking about you. To forget my words, 'cause when I'm around you, I tend to keep changing my mind. I promise myself not to slip back into old habit, 'cause heartbreak is savage and love is a bitch.
Ladies and gentlemen, mesdames et messieurs, from the United States of America, Jason Brown.
Pure technique and execution. Triple flip, perfect. Triple axel, perfect. As close as you can get to perfect on technique. We will look at that in just a second. He's a pure skater.
Oh,
He's a skater.
It's like watching the most beautiful river flowing.
It's beautiful here. Let's take a look at some of the elements. Look at the triple flip. Look how straight he is. Soft landing. The speed coming out was equal as the speed going in. That is going to be a very high GOE. That's a quality score. Look at this triple axel. He sets this up beautifully. Watch him ride this right off the end of the edge, straight up into the air. Soft on the landing. Beautiful. A little bit of an issue. No, it's not a big one. But the triple lutz, triple toe. We'll watch here.
Yeah.
A little bit of an angle here, not a big deal at all. Just had to fight for that landing. Sorry,
but didn't give up on the triple toe.
well, he's got that
When
perfect back.
Oh,
His
just
back is beautiful.
gorgeous. The whole program accentuates his flexibility, his interpretation, musicality. That was gorgeous.
I say he's a skater because every skater would appreciate the quality of everything that he does. There's Karen Preston in the Kiss and Cry with Tracy Wilson, two famous coaches and skaters, of course. Tracy Wilson, Olympic silver medalist, bronze medalist in Olympic Games in 1988, and Karen Preston, Canadian champion and ladies, part of the coaching team. Wow. Quite a Kiss and Cry full of excellence.
Talent.
Exactly.
Lot of
What a
talent.
wonderful young man Jason is, and what a wonderful skater.
A big change. And, training in Toronto. Those are always very tough decisions.
They are, and the coach, I can't remember his coaches at first. His coach did such a great job for a long time. They worked together so beautifully, and really the foundation of this young man is all the work between himself and the coach's name. I'm sorry, it just escaped me for a moment. So
Somebody will write in.
yeah, I'm sure they will. Congratulations on all that beautiful work.
And not being afraid. I think skating, having to face the challenges that skating competitively puts you into requires a very strong character. It's in the past. Some bias and blah blah blah, and yet what he does have in pulling this amazing technique together.
Skater's choice. Do what you want. Here we go.
88.9.
88.9.
In first place. Les notes pour le programme court 88.9.
Jason sits clearly in first place.
Jason est actuellement en première place.